Hello and welcome back, everybody. It's your boy Jaden out here, and you already know the drill. What we do, what I do is on a weekly basis, I invest $100 into my portfolio. It's something anybody's capable of doing, and it's the steps to financial freedom. And I can't express that anymore. So as you can see, this is my long-term dividend portfolio. I might change the name to just dividend portfolio because it's really what it is. Yes, it's a long-term investment, but you know what? Let's just leave it like that. Long-term dividend portfolio, whatever. But those of you guys watching, I will asking, my net cash flow, which is how much money I've invested of my own from my pocket, is $6,643.19. My current value is at $7,516 and $7,516 with 20 cents, and it's at a 21% return. Like, hey, that ain't bad for doing nothing. I'm literally sitting back and you're making money. Like, why not? If I cash out right now, I'm making $925 from doing nothing, all from doing simple research and knowing what you're getting yourself into. But let's get to the topic of what my weekly portfolio update is, which is why I make these videos. So let's go over and let's see what did I invest into and how does that affect my portfolio and why I did so. So this week I did 2 buys. You can see today is August 24th. Today is Monday, August 24th. And as you guys can see, I did 2 buys. Those 2 buys were NRK and Home Depot. Like I said, NRK, I want to keep on buying due to the fact that they pay monthly dividends. So we're going to head over and let's see what impact did that do. With $50, I was able to buy 3.79 of shares of NRK at the share price of $13 with 19 cents. So let's head over to the whole holding. Let's go over here. So NRK, and now I have a little bit more than 55 shares at the average share price of $13 with 26 cents. I'm down as a total of I'm down $4. You could say $4 with 2 cents. I'm down, and realistically though, yeah, they already did that. So with them, I'm down about $4, let's say, in NRK, which is really nothing. I see a lot of potential and growth into this stock. But let's go over my dashboard to track my dividends and let's see the difference, what this does with that buy that I did. Because again, this is a long-term investment. If I'm down today, I don't care. All I care about is tomorrow. So dividend is going to be paying my bills. And I'm telling you that right now. I can't wait till like 5 years from now, see where I'm at, see what happened, what I've learned, and etc. But let's head over to NRK. Let me stay on topic. So NRK, it was 55 point, let's see over here, 55.28966. Oh, let's check this out, man. 28966. And at a cost per share is 13.26, and that's exactly what it is. Let's press edit and let's see. That actually gave me another $2. So my annual income is now $249 compared to $247. That was all off of a $50 investment. So imagine doing more of that. Remember, compound interest is going to play a huge factor into this. I started this April 9th, guys. Let me go back to my portfolio. I started this April 9th. Look where I'm at already. I went from investing, what was it, $200 to now my portfolio is worth $7,516. My next goal is to hit 10K. Remember that, guys. 10K is the next goal. We're moving fast, and this is what it is, man. Slow and steady wins the race. Consistency is key to success. So remember that. So my next investment was another $50 into Home Depot. Home Depot's their ex-dividend date is September 4th, I believe. So I said, all right, why not buy more of Home Depot? Although I didn't even buy a quarter of the amount. Well, let me explain. I invested $50 into Home Depot. Luckily, you can buy fractional shares with M1 Finance. Those of you guys who are interested in M1 Finance watching this video, I will leave the link to the description. I will leave the link to get this in the description. M1 Finance is a very good platform, as you can see. But let me get back to my topic. I was able to buy 0.17 of a share in Home Depot with $50. Home Depot's average share price is $282 with 75 cents. But we're gonna go over to my actual portfolio and the whole holding of what I have of Home Depot is. I should be having. So now I have a little bit more than 1 share I own of Home Depot, and I'm in the market. I'm up $73 right now in Home Depot alone. So that was a pretty good buy by me. And now that they're having their dividends, their ex-dividend date is gonna be in September. So I said, all right, why not buy more into Home Depot, which is what I did. So let's go to my dividend tracker. Let's go find Home Depot, which is over here, and let's update that. Let's see what that $50 buy of Home Depot did to me. So 1.08621. 1.08621. And a cost per share, let's see what that is. 220.68. 220.68. I'm gonna press edit. In that, put another dollar. So now I have hit the annual income of $250. So that is not bad if you ask me. So that was pretty good. I was able to get $3 off of this weekly investment. And compound interest is going to play its role. This is going to keep on multiplying. This is going to keep on getting bigger. In life, you got to have a vision. You got to fulfill it. And you got to keep on going. So this is my long-term dividend portfolio weekly update. I want to thank you guys for watching this video and supporting it. Please leave a comment on what you think about my vision, what I'm doing. Is it a good idea? Is it good? Leave a comment about any questions you have about your portfolio if you're getting started on this. I really hope I motivate you guys doing this. Like, I want everybody to do good in life, man. Financial freedom gives you time and money, literally, and you can't ask for anything else. Time, money, and happiness. Remember, money is a tool. Money isn't happiness. Remember that. But this is a very, very fun ride. This is like a hobby right here, and it's I like it, honestly. But this is my long-term dividend portfolio. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like I said, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. So I'm out, and let's see next week what it is, or stay tuned for a new video.